Gonna do some mowing today. Whoa! I put that nitrogen solution on the lawn a couple days ago and it is really green. It looks awesome. We are in full business mode now. So I'm gonna use this trimmer, trim up some the edges here. So it's been a good 6 months since I've used this trimmer. So we're gonna see if it fires up. It should. This trimmer's always been a good item. So you turn the choke on like that, prime it. There's no gas in the primer bulb. Prime it, I don't know, twice or something there. Should fire. Turn the choke off. So the choke's off. Now I'm just gonna let that sit and warm up just for a minute. So the lawn is freaking awesome right now. It is so green. The stripes are good. And it's starting to fill in and just look good. I still got these trouble spots here, which are okay, but it looks really good. Right there, I took a plug from last fall. Same here, plug, okay? There's a plug that I took from last fall. There's a plug that I took from last fall. Those plugs went into that section there. You can see right here where I put the humic acid down with my sprayer. Got a little heavy-handed right there while I was trying to figure out why it wasn't spraying. I do like to wear the sunglasses when I'm trimming because the stuff sprays back up in my face and I don't really like that a lot. Run around the perimeter with my cylinder mower and I've done the edging. The edging is probably my least favorite activity of lawn care, is doing the trimming with the string edger. I need to get me one of those stick edgers with the blade. That's kind of the next purchase, maybe. I don't know. Next purchase really needs to be a top dresser, but I did a couple of passes, did a double, single, double, single. And I was about to do a double and keep on going with the walk behind, but it's a big area of lawn and I'm gonna get out the ReelMaster 3100D. That sucker is my baby. I spent a lot of time and energy fixing this thing up, several $1,000s fixing it, and I love it. It cuts good. Not quite as good as maybe say a walk behind, but it's fun to use and it makes quick work of the grass. You can see the awesome stripes over there, how cool they look, how they're kind of burned in there. And I don't know what I'm gonna do or where I'm gonna go with this mow. I think I'm gonna go on an angle, maybe diagonal cut. I was thinking about getting that Toro out, the big machine, that 60-inch rotary, but I don't think so today. You want to try it? I don't know if you're tall enough.
Oh, it's sweaty.
What's bad about that?
Are you listening to them playing right now?
Yeah. Okay, can Pal try the bike, please?
Yeah, I'm here to have it.
Pal, try the bike.
It is a fitter for me.
No, not big enough.
I saw the post down a tad.
Saw it?
That's what he said. He said...
He didn't say saw, he said cut.
Okay, cut it.
Okay, Pal, new bike.
Oh my god.
No, that's way too big for him and you know it. You try Preston on this one?
Look at the size comparison.
I know, I want...
So what's the verdict?
Like, it's way lighter. Like,
I know, but like, do you think it's a like a crappy junky bike?
No.
Like, remember how you like, we have crap bikes.
That is the cutest colored bike.
Oh my gosh, that freaking bike is so dang cute.
That is my pet peeve too.
Did you hear what she said? She's like, that is the cutest color of bike I've ever seen. Yeah, it's so freaking awesome. So check it out. Stripes are they're hard to get just straight, folks. So you can see this one right here. It's not exactly straight. The way I like to get them straight is I just go over them and over them and over them again. Check it out, folks. I finished the mowing. It looks awesome. I'm really proud of it, and it feels good to be back in the lawn. I kind of went over this and over this and over this several times to try to burn it in. I still have small signs of dormancy. See the yellowish blades of grass, like right in here. These dead, dormant blades. But those are few and far between, and those will eventually disappear. Just needs 3 or 4 cuttings or something like that. I think this is about my second or third cut of the year, but it's looking good. I'm disappointed in the seed that I put down. I'm not seeing much in the way of seedlings growing up. You see these lime green spots through here? See all these? This is perennial ryegrass. I'm almost certain of it. This has that shiny look on the back side of the blade. I'm almost certain this is perennial ryegrass. It's beautiful looking grass, but you want it to look uniform and even. But you can start to see some of it. You can see it kind of all over the place, and it just kind of looks patchy, which is really what I was trying to get away from when I did the renovation and full kill. Hoping this fills in this year. I don't know. Made good strides on that last year. Should probably get out the Pro Plugger and really kind of plug these areas really good. Was gonna try to put some more grass seed down today and get out Rick the roller and roll it in and try to pack it in there. I don't know. A lot of my seed washed away over there. So look at the difference in the color between that section and this section. That's much darker green color. That's pretty much all Everest and only Everest, and then this side is what I originally seeded the lawn with back in 2014, along with likely some perennial ryegrass in this section. Much lighter green color on this side, much darker green over there. I have quite a bit of dormant grass still left on this side, and we still got a long ways to go on the side here and in the back. I didn't spend as much time burning in and getting my stripes totally straight on the side and the back right here. I just wanted to get it mowed. Looks like I missed a spot right over there. But for the most part, I'd say it looks decent. So working on the lawn for me is a labor of love. I do love being out here. I spend a lot of time out here working on it, and it's fun for me. So still have a lot to get done. Still need to seed this area right here. Need to seed this trench to try to get that to fill in. I've got to get in there and prune my raspberries. That needs to be done sooner rather than later. I had high hopes for this garden, and then I hooked up with a friend, and he's like, "Come, just come garden with me." He said, "Come garden with me in my garden." So I was like, okay. So I think I'll come out here tomorrow and try to cane these raspberries, clean up this garden a little bit. Then hopefully this year we get a good crop of raspberries. Last year we didn't get too. Last year was not a great year for us in the way of raspberries. I'm gonna pretty well do it for this video. I'm gonna get out my wagon here and get some dirt put in this trench. Hopefully I can get that seeded today. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but get these ideas of things that I want to accomplish in a day, and I get to doing them, and they just take a lot longer than I anticipate they're gonna take, and it just kind of deflates me a little bit. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. All right, so I've adjusted them both to 550 of 1 inch. So it's a little over 1/2 inch, and that's gonna cut off quite a bit.